नमस्कार। मैं हूं अरुण केजरीवाल उर्फ AK-57। मैं आज केरलम कोच्चि अतिरापल्ली आया हूं और जैसे आप देख रहे हो मेरे चारों तरफ खुशियों का माहौल है। बच्चे फैमिली डे है और मैं भी मेरी टिपिकल फॉर्मल शर्ट के बदले में आज एक टी शर्ट में हूँ। कुछ आपको अंदाजा लग गया होगा, ये एक थीम पार्क है। थीम पार्क कंपनी है जो हाल ही में अपनी SME पर BSE पे एक लिस्टेड कंपनी बनने जा रही है। कंपनी का नाम है सिल्वर स्टॉर्म पार्क्स एंड रिसोर्ट्स लिमिटेड। इस कंपनी के ये जो थीम पार्क है उसमें राइड्स क्या हैं वो देखेंगे, प्रमोटर से बात करेंगे, IPO के तहत जो पैसा जुटाया जाएगा उससे कंपनी क्या करेगी, ये सब जानकारी आपको जैसे जैसे शो चलेगा आपको मैं दूंगा। देखते रहिए मेरे साथ सिल्वर स्टॉर्म पार्क्स एंड रिजॉर्ट्स की ये एक विजिट। नमस्कार। मैं आज बैठा हूँ अतिरापल्ली कोचीन के पास केरलम स्टेट में, जहाँ पर थीम पार्क है सिल्वर स्टॉर्म पार्क्स एंड रिसोर्ट्स लिमिटेड। मेरे साथ बैठे हैं कंपनी के MD शालीमार जी और कंपनी के डायरेक्टर अरविंद जी। इनसे बात करते हैं कंपनी के बारे में, कंपनी क्या कर रही है और आगे जाकर जो IPO ला रहे हैं BSE SME प्लेटफॉर्म पे, उसके ऑब्जेक्ट्स क्या रहेंगे और इससे क्या विस्तार कंपनी में होगी। नमस्कार।
नमस्कार सर।
तो सर, सबसे पहले ये बताइए, आज जहाँ पर बैठे हैं यहाँ पर आपकी ब्रॉडली क्या फैसिलिटीज हैं और ये जो कोई दर्शक या जो कोई विजिटर यहाँ आता है उसे क्या देखने को मिलता है।
Good morning, sir. First of all, thank you very much for this show for Arun Kejriwal, sir. We are in the amusement industry, entertainment industry, more than 25 years. We located this very famous waterfall of Kerala, Athirapalli Falls, nearby Cochin. From Cochin International Airport, hardly 27 kilometers. We started a theme park in 2000 August. Slightly we improved, added some more rides in each occasion. And 2002 we started a resorts. And 2017 we started a first snow park in Kerala. That's a perfect combination for our industry. Then in between we also added some more rides. And 2021-22 we took a decision after the COVID. We are going to one more major attraction. That's the whole idea is in a one location we need a multiple attractions, cable car and forest village that is going to open in the next month. In last year we moved to, as a part of our pan India presence, we moved to Jamshedpur. In October we started a first snow park in Jamshedpur. There is only one shopping mall, P&M High Tech Mall. That was a huge success for us because Jamshedpur, in the summer 46-48 degree temperature, people can experience the real snow. As a part of our IPO, we are moving next. We are moving to 2-tier and 3-tier cities of India. So mainly 2-tier and 3-tier cities of India, we don't have sufficient family entertainment activities. That's why we moved to Lucknow. Lucknow, we are setting up one of the biggest snow park and family entertainment center. Hopefully, this is our main object of the IPO. And there is some more expansions we are planned in Kerala also. We are expanding our existing snow park. And we are bringing one more, the banquet hall and everything. And we are paying almost 50% of our debt is we are repaying also. That's all the major object of IPO.
So to add on, sir, we have specifically some 41 rides there in the theme park. We have focused more on water slides and high thrilling rides like that. So it's almost 18 acres of land which is open for the public. And upcoming cable car, as MD was explaining, will be having a forest village and aviary. It will be a combined package for cable car, so people can spend almost 2 hours in the cable car. So these are the offerings to the general public, and these are verticals separately. Somebody can opt for a cable car, somebody can opt for snow park, somebody can opt for theme park, a combination thereof. They can stay in the resort. So the maximum dwell time should be taken advantage of. That's the idea, sir.
दोस्तों, आपने अगर सुना और या गौर किया, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है कि अभी दो ऑल्टरनेटिव है। एक जो राइड्स हैं वाटर पार्क से कनेक्टेड, दूसरा एक स्नो पार्क है। अब तीसरा एक ऑप्शन दे रहे हैं जहां पर केबल कार राइड होगा। और केबल कार राइड ऐसा नहीं कि आप एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जाकर वापस आ जाते हो। आप वहां पे उतरिए, आप वहां पे फॉरेस्ट में जाइए, वहां पे आपको बर्ड्स देखने को मिलेंगे, फिशेस देखने को मिलेंगे, जिसे कहते हैं वातावरण, नेचर, एनवायरनमेंट के साथ आप रहोगे। और उसके बाद वापस उसी केबल कार से आप जहां से शुरू हुए थे वहां पर आएंगे। 1.5-2-2.5 घंटे आप उसमें आराम से स्पेंड कर सकते हैं। खाने पीने की आपको ऑप्शंस मिलेगी और ये भी एक तरह से एक कंपोजिट ऑफरिंग हो जाती है। अब सर ये बताइए कि ये जो धंधा है, पहले जो एक थीम पार्क का क्रेज होता था कि बड़े बड़े शहरों में बड़े बड़े थीम पार्क, अब लगता है कि थीम पार्क की जो कहते हैं ना इंटरेस्ट, दिलचस्पी उसमें कम हुई है। लोगों को लग रहा है कि इसमें इतने बड़े थीम पार्क में वायबिलिटी कम है, तो बड़े शहरों से ये शिफ्ट हो रहा है टू सेकंड टियर, थ्री टियर। आप इससे सहमत हो?
Sir, theme park is always required updation. The world is changing. We need to introduce new items in each occasions now. As an example, at least in one expansion every year, and huge capexes also. We set up this theme park. We purchased the land in 1998. The cost of the land now is very high. Whereas the snow park and cable car, the EBITDA level is more than 60%. And in India, this is a new attraction for the family, because snow park, see, all of the people cannot go to Kashmir or Switzerland. They can experience whole real snow activities, -8 to -10 degrees. Now we will provide the jacket, gumboot, and everything. And definitely the cable car. Here, what we are planned, no? After the cable car, and this is the 25th year, we are bringing 25 new rides in the theme park. All these will be we scheduled for the August and September. Once this is all open to the public, we will be the only location in the country. We have a full-fledged amusement park and water park, and a snow park, cable car, and forest village. Forest village we designed, uh, especially the urban children now never experience the real forest and the pets, ornamental fish, birds aviary like that. Now they can spend 2 to 3 hours. The whole idea, if anybody is planning in South India, not only from Kerala, if they are planning to go to Kerala, we will be the first choice. Now we have a full-fledged theme park, snow park, cable car, and forest village and resorts.
और थीम पार्क के साथ जो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है F&B, खाना पीना।
Yes.
क्योंकि लोग यहाँ पर आते हैं तो कई घंटे स्पेंड करते हैं, तो उसके लिए आप उनको खाना पीना पूरा प्रोवाइड करते हैं। जो आपको खरीदना है अफोर्डेबल प्राइस पे, वो भी एक हिस्सा होता है ऐसे विजिट का।
Yeah, F&B is a major other revenue. Is F&B, some of the parks in the world and in India also, the people are going to having food, only for food they are visiting that theme parks now.
So the F&B is a major revenue boost for, if you look at our financials for last 2-3 years, the non-ticketing revenue has a considerable increase. Prior to some 2 years back, we were mostly on contractual arrangements, which has been now moved to company-owned outlet within the premises. We have big 2 restaurants within the park, and we have 1 outlets in Adrapalli near to the waterfall, and we also having multiple small outlets within the park. So and now the cable car is coming up. There also will be starting one more restaurant as part of the IPO. Proceeds will be also utilized for setting up a banquet hall and one more restaurant, because we need to attack the other segment, the corporate segment. We can have some meetings here, and then they can use the snow park, have their dinner, and can stay here. So the non-ticketing revenue is something which we are really focusing, and it is, as we were mentioning, it will be at an affordable level. We are not taking advantage of the helplessness of the customer. So it definitely we will take, and then F&B is going to be a big boost for us.
शालीमार जी, थोड़ा सा गूगल की मदद ली मैंने और देखा कि इंडिया में जो स्नो पार्क है वो सब मेट्रोज में है। अतिरापल्ली छोटी सी जगह है, इसको कोची से नजदीक समझ लेते हैं तो भी मेट्रो में नहीं आता। इसके बाद में आपने जमशेदपुर में सेट किया, अब आप लखनऊ जा रहे हो। बाकी जो थीम पार्क ये स्नो पार्क देश में है वो है नोएडा में, एनसीआर, बैंगलोर, बम्बई, हैदराबाद, ये सब जगह में है। तो आपको लगता है आप कुछ नया कर रहे हो और आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो कि ऐसे नए छोटे शहर में जाकर आपको अच्छा ट्रैक्शन मिलेगा, आपका ये मॉडल अच्छा सक्सेसफुल होगा या क्या?
We are in our market research studies going on. Like that, we have some inquiry from Madhya Pradesh. No? In India, 2-tier and 3-tier cities, no, they have the people want everything like metro. Now, as of now, we don't have much entertainment activities in 2-tier and 3-tier cities. Hopefully, we can set up at least half a dozen snow parks in next couple of years in 2-tier and 3-tier cities of India. And we are seriously looking 1 or 2 cable car. That is also good return on investment. Wherever the cable car in our country or in all over the world, everywhere it is success now.
Massive success.
And in our Kerala cable car, some major attraction, we are in the heart of the Western Ghats. Western Ghats, beautiful, lush green mountains, big forest. We are in the center of this Western Ghats rainforest. No? That will be a fantastic view from the cable car, and our theme park is also very colorful. Lot of sculptures, lot of themings. All these attractions they can enjoy from the above 40-meter height. No, that's a USP of this cable car.
सर, आपने एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात बोली, स्नो पार्क आप मॉल में लगाना चाहते हो।
अच्छा,
इसका मतलब बड़ा लैंड पार्सल की कोई दरकार नहीं है,
या
क्योंकि मॉल है, इसका सेटअप टाइम काफी कम होता है। 6-8 महीने में आप सेटअप करके ऑपरेशनल कर सकते हो और फिक्स कॉस्ट बहुत बड़ा नहीं लगता है। क्या मेरा सोचना सही है?
Yeah, correct. You're absolutely right. If you are setting up a snow park standalone, we need a land, parking is we required, common facilities, washrooms we required, security we required. Whereas in the shopping mall, everything is ready.
Correct.
In-house ready, the building is ready, and we can set up a snow park with a span of 6 to 8 months period. If it is a fairly good market, we will get entire investment within 1.5 to 2 years, return on investment. Whereas if we are setting up a theme park, we need at least 20-25 acres of 250 acres of land, good road access. Nowadays, land is very costly in all, even 2-tier or 3-tier cities. And setting up for a theme park, we need at least 2 to 3 years. Return on investment is slightly longer period, whereas the snow parks and cable car return on investment is very quick.
So, sir, it is something for the mall owner also, for the mall operator. it's a win-win situation. One reason why the PNN Mall in Jamshedpur invited us also when we have done the preliminary assessment, there is a lot of footfall coming in, and they also need some kind of attraction. In a mall, you will see a lot of shopping joints, and you have the eating points, and there is some cinema. So beyond which, what else? So this is the only one mall where they don't have this kind of facility, and they don't have the capacity to set up such a snow park. So we straight away go, and then there are any number of such malls available in an upcoming tier 2 and tier 3 cities. So we will take on long lease and set up in 6 months' time. It is also an attraction for the mall. For us, you don't have to immediately go for an advertisement, but the mall itself is an advertisement for us, because everybody coming to the mall will see the snow. This is something new, so they will get in. This is something and really a win-win situation for both sides.
शालीमार जी, इन्वेस्टर कभी भी कोई नई कंपनी में पैसा डालता है तो धंधा समझना चाहता है कि कंपनी क्या करती है, और प्रमोटर को समझना चाहता है कि वो प्रमोटर है कौन। थोड़ा आपके बारे में बताइए, क्योंकि आप ये जो थीम पार्क के धंधे में करीब 24-25 साल से ऑलरेडी हो, तो थोड़ा आपके बारे में बताइए जिससे कि निवेशक थोड़ा और आपको अच्छा जाने।
I was in rubber-based industry before that, sir. I sold that company in 1996. One day, I went to, I have one baby that time. She was around 3-year-old. I took her to Cochin Marine Drive. Cochin Marine Drive, there is a small children's park. That day, I don't know, full rush there. Even we cannot enter inside. Then I thought, this is in the year of 1997. Then I went to Bombay for some other reasons. No, usually when I am going to any city, I'll read the newspaper. Those time, no television, not popular. No. Then I saw there is an exhibition is in next month in Bombay, Indian Amusement Park, an exhibition. I think in Nesco or somewhere. I went for the exhibition. I met the manufacturers, some of the park owners. Those time only few parks in. I met some of the foreign amusement ride manufacturers. From there, I got the idea. Then I got one senior manager who worked in the park. From there, I thought. Then I searched the land. Land, I have a different thought. I can put up in the nearby national highway. I thought after 15, 20 years, 25 years, the land appreciation. Finally, I took almost 1 year to decide this land. Why? We should be in a tourist circuit. Now, this Adirapalli waterfall is very famous in South India.
Correct.
Almost 4 million people are visiting there. And we decided we need this particular project in the same road. We cannot deviate from our circuit. Thank God we got a fantastic land in 98, and 2000 August we started. Still we are getting excellent. In last April, May was a big season for us. This year climate was very favorable to us. We got a fantastic business in last summer vacations.
So Adirapalli is as a location, it has always, year round, you have people coming from Kerala as well as from Tamil Nadu. It's a border district. So definitely people will see, especially when once the cable car is also coming up. So such an attraction is happening here. So they can, whatever their travel plan, they can mix Adirapalli waterfall and then Adirapalli, Silverstone, or the cable car like that. Because the people are seeing this Adirapalli in several movies. As we are mentioning about the Bahubali and Punna Game, and then now I heard that the Jailer 2 is going to be shot in Adirapalli. So like that, most of the movies, Malayalam as well as Tamil and Hindi, it's coming up. So people are known this place, and it is very close to airport. Just 45 minutes drive. So this tourism circuit will definitely, it's a major bet for our success of our parks.
और इसके अलावा आप यहाँ के जो स्कूल्स हैं उनके रेगुलर ट्रिप्स कराते हैं, ऑर्गेनाइज कराते हैं, एक फुल डे पिकनिक जैसी हो जाती है बच्चों के लिए?
Yeah, schools know they need students know nowadays the education system they are very hectic in studies in
करेक्ट.
throughout the year. From there they are getting 1 or 2 day for this outing. No, they especially the theme park. No, this is a physical entertainment.
Yes.
Once they experience a roller coaster or a massive water slide, that feel will last so many months. No, that's why children know if they visited a theme park today, even they are ready to go tomorrow or next day. Then we have a very dedicated guest relations staff and the lifeguards and operators for to take care of the children. No, because that age, no, 10 to 15-year age, no, they are getting 1 day freedom from everywhere. No, they will blast. Yeah, yeah. This either tuition or a school and studies always no. From there they are getting 1 or 2 days, and this the upcoming expansion next month. No, we will be the first choice of the entire Kerala and at least 10 districts of Tamil Nadu. That is our catchment area because from Coimbatore to here, hardly 3.5 hour drive only. So Coimbatore, Road, Tirupur, we are getting a lot of institutional corporate business and families as well as walk-in. And especially the Tamil Nadu people loves this waterfall because this is a Tamil Nadu. This waterfall is 365 days water will be there.
Oh,
That's a major attraction. That's why all the Tamil Nadu people interested to come here. They can reach within 3 to 4 hours. And definitely, once the cable car comes, we are sure we will be the first choice for the institutions. No, if they are planning to come to Silverstone, they have a full-fledged theme park, they have a snow park, they have a cable car, they have a forest village. All are different experiences. And out of 4 products, 3 is a unique for only for us. Snow park, cable car, and forest village. That's
Correct.
a USP, sir.
So, yes, sir, if you see the top line also, almost 55 to 60% this institutional sale, especially from the educational institutions. And Coimbatore is well-known place for a lot of education institutions there. So annually, these people, our direct marketing team, we have a very strong marketing team. So it's a direct marketing. So from June, July, they will go and say set up that year's plan, and then our season starts from somewhere in September, October, and it runs up to January and February beginning. So almost at 5-6 months. Because for us, the H2 is the major revenue chaining. This is the group booking happens in the. So every year, this is a regular demand. So we need to provide some new attractions. Something like cable car will definitely will have this is an aerial view, so they can always look at the park itself from that height. So they will have the feel to come to the park also. So it's going to be really a game changer for us.
तो दोस्तों, ये थे कंपनी के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर शालीमार जी और कंपनी के डायरेक्टर अरविंद जी. ये बता रहे थे कि अतिरापल्ली वाटरफॉल के कारण बहुत ही फेमस जगह है. तमिलनाडु और केरला या केरलम जो अब उसे कहते हैं, उसके बॉर्डर के ऊपर करीब करीब ये जगह है. इनके पास ऑलरेडी आज 2 पार्क है यहाँ पर, एक वाटर पार्क और एक स्नो पार्क, और अब 3rd अट्रैक्शन अगले महीने से शुरू हो जाएगा जिसमें है केबल कार और फॉरेस्ट. तो ये देखते हुए ये एक ऐसी जगह हो जाती है जिसे आप मिस नहीं कर सकते. और जो वाटरफॉल है वो तो एक संस्था है एक तरह से टूरिस्ट के लिए. कई पिक्चरें यहाँ पे शूट हुई है, आने वाले समय में और पिक्चर आ रहे हैं. तो ये देखकर आपको आइडिया लगता है कि ये एक पार्क सिंगल पार्क नहीं है, लेकिन मल्टीपल पार्क है जो आपको अलग अलग तरह की अपॉर्चुनिटी देती है. उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपको ये डिस्कशन अच्छा लगा. धन्यवाद.
Namaskar. Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.
Thank you, sir.
ये है कंपनी का मैस्कॉट और आईपीओ कंपनी ला रही है, लेकिन इसने अभी तक इस मैस्कॉट को नाम नहीं दिया है। प्रमोटर से बातचीत करते करते दिमाग में एक आइडिया आई, क्यों नहीं इस वीडियो के तहत इस आदमी को, इस शख्स को, इस कैरेक्टर को एक नाम दिया जाए। तो एक कॉन्टेस्ट अनाउंस किया है जिसमें कि अगले 30 दिन में आपको इस व्यक्ति का, कैरेक्टर का एक नाम सजेस्ट करना है और जिस व्यक्ति का नाम सजेस्ट किया हुआ चुना जाएगा उसको इस थीम पार्क में, वो भारतवर्ष में जहाँ पे भी रहते हैं वहाँ से बुलाया जाएगा। उसके आने जाने के सभी खर्चे कंपनी लेगी। यहाँ पर बुलाकर उसे इनाम भी दिया जाएगा, थीम पार्क भी पूरा घुमाया जाएगा और वापस उसे अपनी जगह भेजा जाएगा। तो पार्ट लीजिए, नाम सजेस्ट कीजिए इस कैरेक्टर को और आपको जो नाम भेजना है नीचे दिए हुए ईमेल पर ये जरूर भेजिए। ध्यान रखिए, आपको ये नाम 15 अगस्त तक लेटेस्ट भेजना है। दलाल स्ट्रीट का बुल तो मैं नहीं ला सकता, बट सिल्वर स्टॉर्म का बुल आपको जरूर दिखा सकता हूँ। तो देखिए, यहाँ पर भी एक बुल है और ध्यान में रखिए ये कंपनी अपना आईपीओ लेकर आ रही है। बाहर 28 डिग्री सेल्सियस है, यहाँ पर -10 डिग्री सेल्सियस है। वही जगह सिल्वर स्टॉर्म, उसके स्नो स्टॉर्म के पार्क में मैं आया हूँ। चारों तरफ सफेदी दिख रही है, ये बर्फ है। ये इस पार्क की खासियत है। अगर आप देखें, ये देखिए, ये बर्फ है। ये भी इस थीम पार्क की एक खासियत है, जहाँ पर स्नो क्रिएट किया गया है। 28 डिग्री बाहर का तापमान, यहाँ पे -10। नज़ारा देखिए आपके चारों तरफ। यहाँ पे एक थीम पार्क दिखाया आपको जिसका नाम है सिल्वर स्टॉर्म रिसोर्ट्स एंड पार्क्स लिमिटेड। इस कंपनी में ये थीम पार्क में क्या क्या फैसिलिटी है, क्या अट्रैक्शन है, नए क्या अट्रैक्शन राइड्स आने वाले हैं, प्रमोटर क्या करता है, उससे मुलाकात, ये सभी कुछ कराई। ये जो एक फिल्म आपके लिए बनाई गई और दिखाई गई, ये एक एजुकेशनल फिल्म है जो आपके लिए कनेक्टिव कॉरपोरेट एक्सप्लोरर लाया है और मैं आपका होस्ट जो ये फिल्म प्रेजेंट किया है। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको ये फिल्म अच्छी लगी, पसंद आई। इसे लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हर बार की तरह आपके कमेंट्स देना न भूलिएगा। नमस्कार।